Now we have 4 fruits in front of us. Okay, we have the small one, which is the grape. These two, I would say they're roughly the same size, which is apple and orange. And the biggest fruit here I have is pomelo. Okay, from what I see here, I would say that the size grape is the smallest, and being the smallest is actually one of the lightest. Well, apple and orange, I would say they are roughly the same size. In terms of mass, I think they are equally heavy. Definitely much heavier than the grape. Pomelo, the size-wise is definitely the biggest. In terms of the mass, I would say is actually one of the heaviest here. Okay, so now let's look at what we have. Okay, I have a tank of water here. If I'm going to drop the 4 fruits inside the tank of water, which of the fruits will actually float? Is it the small and light grape, medium size apple and orange, or is it the big and heavy pomelo? Okay, which of the fruit will actually float? Okay, now pause the video here and actually think about it and decide on the fruit before you continue playing the video.
A few minutes later.
Now, okay, you should have the answer in your head. Let's check whether you are right or wrong. Let's start with the smallest fruits, one of the lightest fruit here. Would grape float or sink when I dropped? Okay, let's see. Oh, if sink, the smallest fruit actually sink. How about apple? Okay, apple. Let's take a look. Oh, it floats. If apple floats, okay, grape sink. The small fruit actually sink. The medium-sized fruit actually floats. How about orange? Okay, orange is also floats. Now, last one. Okay, the big pomelo, one of the heaviest we have. Will it sink or will it float? Okay, let's take a look.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, the pomelo actually floats. The big fruits actually floats. The small fruit actually sink. Why?